because everything is glueless over here, okay? We don't use adhesive, we don't use none of that. What's up, y'all? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing y'all how I installed this glueless wig. And if you want to learn or watch how I made this glueless wig, go watch my video on how I made it. I'm just going to be showing y'all all my little secrets, little stuff, you feel me, that I'll be doing, that I'll be using. I'm not the best at these, but I feel like I can make them look presentable. Well, the best to my ability. So yeah, I'm going to show y'all how I do all this. Keep watching, like, comment, share, subscribe, all that if you want to see more of these videos, okay? So keep watching. Alright, so what's up, y'all? We got the wig, okay? Basically what we're going to be doing, we're going to be putting concealer. I like to use the LA Pro concealer and one of these, and we're going to be putting it on the lace. I kind of already put some on there, but it needs some more because like this lace is dark and I'm like not dark. I like to get one of these, like to squeeze it on there. Oops, like this. Well, y'all can't even see. Like to take this and do this, even it out, get on the brush. What you're gonna do, oh, this kind of hard. You just gonna put it on the lace. So I like to start like on the sides because it can get like thick in some areas. Put on the sides first and then go down my part. And you're gonna do it till you get it all covered. You use all the makeup. So now that you got all the lace covered, don't mind, I wore this wig once, okay, just once. And so once you got the lace all covered, you're going to use your Got2B glue spray. This right here is the key. Like, if you don't use this while you're doing your lace, I don't know what to tell you because you're missing out. And you're just gonna spray. This is going to make sure that the color stays on the lace the whole time. And you're going to take your blow dryer on high heat, blow dry completely. Sometimes I like to do that step at least twice to just make sure that it stays on there real good. I ain't clean this buildup before I got on here, but it's okay. So now you are ready to put them. So how I like to put on my wigs is I like to align the part like with mine. Then I like to put my hand on top. And I like to insert the combs. The combs is really something I really honestly discovered. Like, I didn't watch no YouTube video on how to like secure a wig without like glue and all that. But this is my way. And then I just like to pull in the back. This wig is so cute. So y'all can't even see the build up for real. That's why I didn't even like. But I'm doing all the time, yeah. Cause if you're baby at work. So. And then now we're gonna go on to the edges. And I'm gonna be doing that over here. You're gonna take your Got2B glue black gel, not the white one. Not the white one, okay? Please don't use the white one. And you're gonna need an edge brush. Basically just the same way I showed y'all in the how to make this video. It's just when you use the Got2B, it just makes it melt in. Like, this is glue, but it's not adhesive. It makes it just melt all in and just come together, come to life. So, and I forgot to mention, so like y'all see how like this is blending in with my skin because we put the makeup on the lace under first and we did all that. Like, that's one of the keys, one of the secrets, baby. Just gonna take a little bit and just gonna put it like this. I might push this back just a little bit because I don't want it on my forehead. Okay, and then you're just gonna take a brush. Hopefully y'all can see. Y'all can see. And y'all just gonna hold it and just form the baby hairs. Like, I'm telling y'all, baby hairs are really easy. You just gotta get it. It took me a minute, but then I just finally got the hang of it. Okay. We just gonna do it like that. Oh, it looks nasty on camera. Like, literally, yo, there's no cap under here, no nothing. And it, you know, it looks decent. I'm telling you, it looks better in person. That's why I don't even like doing all this. Because it be looking way better in person to me. And I also like to put some right here at the front. Because to just push these hairs back. Because it just makes it look so much better, so natural. It just, I don't know, I like this look. And I do this on like all my clients and all that. So I just like it like this. I like to push it back. Almost done. I'm just being extra as usual. And y'all could do 3 edges, 1 edge, you know. This is just the look that I wanted to achieve, that I wanted to re-achieve, because I already did this look before. So yeah, so baby hair is done, okay. And we're gonna blend the lace out. Then you're gonna take your blow dryer and you're gonna blow dry this completely dry. Completely dry.
Completely dry.
Okay, on high heat. Whatever, just make sure that it's dry, like completely dry. But you've done the baby hairs. See, it just melted in, just like, and we're not even done yet, like. And then you're gonna go back with your makeup brush and you're just gonna get some on there. You're just gonna go on your part and around the edges. This is just gonna lighten everything up. This is just gonna make everything look better and more to your skin complexion. So you will obviously get your color. This is the key right here. You're gonna put it around your edges too. Like you have to make sure that you put the makeup around the lace and around the edges as well. And sometimes you get like blotches. It's okay. Cause I have a trick that's gonna get that together. You gonna get up in them strokes as well. Okay, now you're done with that, now you're gonna take your finger and you're gonna smooth everything. Just like this. Smooth everything. I'm gonna smooth it all. Take your finger. Just like this. Just watch me. I mean, I'm not the best at like explaining stuff. So it's best that you just watch. Okay. And we're not even done yet. Looks a little light, a little bit, so I got a trick for that too. I got a trick for everything, okay? And then I like to go in with a powder just to put it on top. It's a little bit darker and it's like more my skin tone. But I just like to go in the powder just cause it just, I don't know. I like to do that. It's basically kind of like makeup. Like, you know how you put concealer on and then you put the powder on to, like, you know, make everything come together. That's what I do. Then I like to go in with some alcohol, water, anything. Water is probably best because alcohol can sometimes just like, you know, undo everything. But I just like to spray the thing. And I just like to put it on my edges to like get that makeup off. And around the part too, just to get that makeup off. I'm gonna have to get my water bottle. Y'all see? Well, y'all can't even really see for real. This camera be fooling, I'm telling you. But in person, y'all, it just basically clears up everything. Now what you want to do, this is the key, okay? I'm telling y'all, go buy this, okay? Please. And if you already got it, use it. And if you're already using it, use it the right way, okay? This is just the finishing touch. Just the finishing secret. Just bring everything to life. You're just gonna spray everything, okay? And then you're gonna blow dry this completely. You can do this twice. I don't really want this to like stay all day. I'm taking this off tonight because it's glueless, you know. So you can even put more in it, and it'll like even stick it in more. But then you're just gonna take a scarf or just anything and just wrap the edges. You're just gonna tie it down tight. And yeah. And then just real quick, I hate doing this on myself, but for the sake of this video, I'm doing it for y'all. So just let the scarf sit for like at least 5 minutes. I'm gonna take the scarf off. And now another secret that I got. It's not really a secret, but it's just what I do. You're gonna spray some type of oil spray. This is just a regular heat protectant, and I just like to spray it on there because if there's like any white spots or just dry, or if it's too light, this just brings everything together and it also gives it shine. That's that. I'm gonna try to, don't mind my acne, y'all. Like I said, I'm not the best at this, but I feel like, you know, I'm getting progress. But yeah, y'all, that is how you do a glueless wig install. This is how I do all my wigs, all my clients, all my installs, all that. Because everything is glueless over here, okay? We don't use adhesive. We do use it when we want to hug for an extra long time. Thank you for tuning into my video. I hope y'all like it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow me on the IG. And yeah, stay tuned for my next video.